how to check incoming direct deposit cheese. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to check incoming direct deposit on your cheese bank account. In order to do it so, first thing first, you have to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, you want to go ahead and log into your cheese account. Now, first of all, before starting, let's understand what is actually a direct deposit. So a direct deposit lets you automatically deposit paychecks and other income into your savings or checking account. It is one of the convenient ways to send or receive money without paper checks. To receive it, you need to set up your Chase direct deposit. For that, you want to go ahead and sign into your chase.com or the Chase mobile banking app. After which, you want to go ahead and click on accounts from the top right and then go to account services. Once you go to account services, next thing you want to do is choose the option that is set up direct deposit, and after which you want to download the pre-filled Chase direct deposit or download the general deposit request form. Once you do it so, give the form and avoid Chase check to your employer's next your employer will deposit into your bank account. It may take up to 2 page cycle for the deposit check for the direct deposit to kick in. You could check your monthly paper statement or monitor your online Chase account to verify that when direct deposit begins. And with that, we've come to an end. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.